We're not talking about your average get-rich-quick schemes. We're going deep, fam, into the world of day trading, but through the lens of Islamic principles. Now I know what you're thinking, Islam and day trading, those two don't go together. But hold your horses, my friend. You see, Islam is all about balance, about ethical living, about using your God-given talents for good. And guess what? Those principles, they apply to the stock market too. So whether you're a seasoned trader looking for a more ethical approach, or a newbie just starting out, stick around. We're about to break down how the Qur'an, the Hadith, and even the lives of the Sahabah can guide us to financial success, all while staying true to our faith. Let's get into it. Alright, let's be real for a second. When you think of Wall Street, what comes to mind? Greed, right? Cutthroat competition? The relentless pursuit of profit at any cost? People in suits yelling sell, sell, sell into phones? The chaos of the trading floor? Yeah, not exactly the most Islamic image, is it? The contrast couldn't be starker. But here's the thing. Islam has always been about ethical wealth building. It's about creating prosperity that is sustainable and just. It's about using your risk, your sustenance, in a way that benefits you, your family, and your community. It's a holistic approach to wealth. And that, my friends, is where the Quran and Hadith come in. They provide the guidelines for ethical financial practices. See, Islam teaches us to avoid haram, the forbidden. This includes not just actions, but also financial dealings. And in finance, that means steering clear of things like riba, which is interest. Interest can lead to exploitation and inequality. That's right, no shady loans, no predatory lending practices. It's about fairness and transparency. We keep it halal, we keep it ethical. Our financial dealings should reflect our values. But it's not just about avoiding the bad stuff. It's also about actively doing good. Islam also emphasizes the importance of things like honesty, moderation, and patience. These are not just virtues, but essential principles. These aren't just suggestions, folks, they're fundamental principles. They guide our actions and decisions. Think about it. Honesty in your dealings, not trying to cheat the system or take advantage of others. It's about integrity, moderation in your spending and investments, not going all in on some risky meme stock because everyone else is doing it. It's about balance and patience, my friends, patience. It's about understanding that good things take time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a solid financial portfolio. It requires careful planning and perseverance. And above all, remember to put your trust in Allah, SWT. Trust that He will guide you and provide for you. See, in Islam we believe that true success comes from His blessings. It's about spiritual and material well-being, so we work hard, we make smart decisions, but ultimately, we surrender the outcome to Him. This is the essence of Islamic finance. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, Hassan, this all sounds great in theory, but how does it actually play out in real life? How can these ancient lessons be relevant in today's fast-paced world? Well, my friends, let's take a trip back in time, back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, and his companions, the Sahabah. These were the golden days of Islamic history. These weren't just your average followers, these were the pioneers of Islam, the ones who lived and breathed the faith. They were the torchbearers of a new era. And guess what? They were also some of the most successful traders and businessmen of their time. Their business acumen was unparalleled. Take Abdur Rahman ibn Auf, R.A., for example. This dude was a financial whiz. He had an innate understanding of market dynamics and economic principles. He understood the importance of diversifying his investments, of not putting all his eggs in one basket. He spread his resources wisely. He was also known for his honesty and fairness in business dealings. His integrity was his greatest asset. People trusted him, and that trust translated into success. His reputation was built on reliability and ethical conduct. Then there's Umar ibn al-Khattab, R.A., the second caliph of Islam. This guy was all about financial prudence. He was meticulous in his approach to money management. He believed in living within your means, in not spending more than you earned. He was a firm advocate of financial discipline. He even kept a close eye on the public treasury, making sure that every dirham was spent wisely and for the benefit of the people. His stewardship was exemplary. These weren't just isolated examples, my friends. The Sahabah as a whole were known for their financial savvy and their commitment to ethical business practices. They set a standard for future generations. They understood that wealth, when earned and used righteously, could be a powerful tool for good. They used their resources to uplift their communities. So, the next time you're about to make a trade, Ask yourself, what would Abdur Rahman ibn Auf do? Would he see this as a wise investment? Or would Umar ibn al-Khattab approve of this investment? Would it align with his principles of financial prudence? Their examples can guide us, even today, to make smart, ethical, and inshallah, profitable decisions. Let's strive to follow their footsteps in our financial journeys. Okay, let's get real for a minute. Day trading is inherently risky. It's not just a game, it's a serious endeavor that requires a lot of knowledge and a clear strategy. It's fast-paced, it's volatile, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. The market can change in the blink of an eye, and you need to be prepared for that. But here's the thing. Even within the world of high-risk trading, there are ways to manage that risk. To make smart decisions that align with Islamic principles, it's about being mindful and strategic. First and foremost, remember the principle of moderation. Islam teaches us to avoid extremes and to seek balance in all aspects of life, including our financial dealings. Don't go all in, betting your life savings on some volatile stock just because you saw it on Wall Street Bets. That's not a wise move. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience and confidence. This way you can build a solid foundation. Diversification is key, my friends. It's a fundamental principle in both conventional and Islamic finance. Just like Abdur Rahman ibn Auf taught us, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments to reduce risk. Spread your investments across different sectors, asset classes, and even geographical regions. This diversification helps protect you from unexpected downturns. This helps mitigate risk and protects you from sudden market swings. It's a way to safeguard your wealth. And speaking of market swings, let's talk about stop-loss orders. These are essential tools for any trader. These are your best friend in the world of day trading. They help you manage your risk effectively. They automatically sell your stock if it hits a certain price, limiting your potential losses. It's like having a safety net. Preventing you from losing your shirt in a sudden market downturn. This can give you peace of mind. But here's the most important rule of all. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This is crucial for your financial well-being. Don't gamble with your rent money, your kids' college fund, or your emergency savings. Be responsible and prudent. Remember, in Islam, we're taught to be responsible stewards of our wealth. This means making thoughtful and informed decisions. And finally, keep a trading journal. This is a valuable practice for any trader. This isn't just some Wall Street guru advice, it's actually a really helpful way to track your progress, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and make more informed decisions in the future. By keeping a journal, you can learn from your experiences and continuously improve your trading strategy. Alright folks, let's talk strategy. We've covered the ethical foundations, the importance of risk management, but now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of actually making those trades. First things first, education is key. Just like you wouldn't perform surgery without going to med school, you shouldn't jump into day trading without a solid understanding of how the markets work. Read books, take online courses, follow reputable financial analysts. Learn about different trading strategies, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, the whole shebang. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. But knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It's not going anywhere. You need discipline, my friends, the willpower to stick to your trading plan, even when the market gets bumpy. Remember that patience we talked about earlier? Yeah, it's going to come in handy here. Don't chase every hot stock tip. Don't get emotional about your trades. Stick to your strategy, manage your risk, and let the profits come naturally. And hey, we live in the 21st century, so let's use technology to our advantage. There are tons of amazing trading platforms, charting tools, and financial news apps out there. Use them. They can help you stay organized, track your investments, and make smarter trades. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Just because a certain trading strategy is profitable doesn't mean it's halal. Always make sure your actions align with Islamic principles. Now, we've talked a lot about the technical aspects of day trading, the strategies, the risk management, the whole 9 yards. But there's another crucial element to all of this, something that's often overlooked in the pursuit of profits: our spirituality. See, in Islam, we believe that true success isn't just about how much money you make, it's about how you make it and what you do with it. It's about seeking Allah's blessings in all your endeavors, including your financial ones. So start your day with dhikr, remembering Allah, SWT. Begin your trading session with a dua, asking for His guidance and His blessings. And before making any major financial decisions, perform istikhara prayer, seeking His guidance on the best course of action. Remember, my friends, wealth is a gift from Allah, SWT, and it's our duty to use it wisely and responsibly. Give sadaqah, charity, regularly. Support causes you believe in. Help those in need. When you give back to others, you're not just fulfilling an Islamic obligation, you're also purifying your wealth, ensuring that it's a source of blessing, not a source of burden. And hey, here's a little secret. When you approach trading with a grateful heart, with the intention of using your wealth for good, it changes your whole perspective. You're no longer just chasing profits, you're striving for something bigger than yourself. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today. From the fundamental principles of Islamic finance, to practical tips for managing risk and making smart trades. But remember, this isn't just about becoming a trading guru, it's about aligning your financial pursuits with your faith. By blending the wisdom of Islamic teachings with modern trading strategies, you can achieve growth in your trading account while staying true to your faith. Remember, true success isn't just measured in dollars and cents, it's measured in the positive impact you have on the world around you. Thanks for watching, and may your trading journey be blessed with success and ethical integrity. As Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you.